How to enable or disable SIM pin on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Cellular. Next, in the cellular page, we go down and then tap on SIM pin. At the top here, tap on the SIM pin toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now when you turn it on, it says enter pin to lock SIM, 3 attempts remaining. So I'm going to put in my pin to lock the SIM and then tap on done. So it is now turned on. If you want to switch it off, you also need to enter in the pin. You only allow 3 attempts. If you put in the wrong pin after 3 times, then your phone will lock your SIM card. After that, you will need to get the PUK number. That number is available from your network provider. And then tap on done to unlock it. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.